Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English Easy.
This is the place for learners who want to speak English not just correctly, but with real confidence and joy. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I want to start with a question. Do you ever feel like your English is stuck? You know the grammar, you know lots of words, but when you try to speak, there's a delay. It feels slow, and it's exhausting. You're speaking, but your brain is working twice as hard. If that sounds like you are in the right place. Because today, we are going to fix the single biggest thing that holds people back from speaking smoothly, the habit of translating in your head. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fire that slow, tired translator in your mind. We'll replace it with a new, faster, more natural way of thinking directly in English. This isn't just a small tip. It's a whole new way for your brain to work with English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we learn the solution, we have to understand the problem. Think of translating in your head as a middleman for your thoughts. When you want to say something, the process looks like this. First, you have a thought in your native language. Second, you search for the right words to translate that thought into English. Third, you worry if the translation is correct. And finally, after all that work, you speak. This creates what I call the fluency gap. It's that moment of silence while your brain is busy translating. This gap causes three big problems. First, it kills your speed. Real conversations move fast. By the time you finish translating, the conversation has already moved on. You always feel one step behind. Second, it hurts your rhythm. English has its own music, its own feeling. When you translate word for word, your English can sound a little unnatural, even if your words are correct. And third, and this is the most important one, it crushes your confidence. Because you're always translating, you're always doubting yourself. Is this the right word? Is this the right way to say it? Speaking becomes a stressful test instead of a fun way to connect with people. Our goal is not to make the translator in your head faster. Our goal is to fire him completely. We want to build a direct path from your thought to your English words. And the way we do this is surprisingly simple. It starts with the world around you. The journey to thinking in English begins with one simple rule. Connect English words directly to objects, not to other words. Let's try this together, right now. I want you to find a pen near you. If you don't have one, just imagine a pen in your hand. Got it. Okay. Now, look at the pen. The old way, the translation way, is to see the object, think of the word for it in your native language, and then translate it to pen. We are not going to do that. Instead, I want you to look at the object itself, the shape, the color, the way it feels. As you are looking at it, say the English word out loud. Let's do it together. Repeat after me. Pen. Good. Let's do it again. Just look at the object and say the sound. Pen. Don't let your native language enter your mind. You are creating a new direct connection. Object, English word. Now, let's try another one. Look at your phone. Don't think of the word for it in your language. Just see the glass, the screen, the shape. And now, say the word with me. Repeat after me. Phone. Great. Let's do a few more. Find a cup or a glass of water. Look at it. Ready? Repeat after me. Water.
Look at the chair you are sitting on. Say it with me. Chair.
Look at a light in your room. And again, light. This feels incredibly simple, right? Almost too simple. But this is a very powerful change for your brain. You are teaching it that English is not a secret code for your native language. It's a direct label for the real world. Your homework starting today is to do this for just 2 minutes every day. Walk around your room and simply name 5 objects: pen, book, window, door, bed. No translation, just a direct connection. This is the foundation. Once you are comfortable naming objects, we can move up the stairway to fluency. Level 2 is simple actions. Just like with objects, you will connect English verbs directly to what you are doing. When you stand up, think the thought and maybe even whisper it. Repeat after me. I stand up. When you open a door, say it with me. I open the door. When you drink water, think the words. I drink water. Let's practice. Right now, I want you to take a deep breath. In and out. As you do it, think the words. I am breathing. This is powerful because you are linking English to your own experience. You can do this all day. Washing your hands, I am washing my hands. Typing on your computer, I am typing. Level 3 is feelings and sensations. This is a little more abstract, but it's so important. When you feel tired, what is your first thought? It's probably in your native language. From now on, try to catch that moment. Feel the sensation of being tired in your body and connect it directly to the English thought. I am tired. When you feel happy, feel the smile on your face and think, I am happy. When the sun feels warm on your skin, think, this is warm. You are no longer translating a concept. You are labeling a direct, internal feeling with English. Level 4 is the internal monologue. This is the final level. You start to tell the story of your own life in your head using very simple English sentences. It's like you are the main character in your own movie. For example, in the morning, your inner voice could be, okay, it's 7 a.m. I need to get up. I am tired. I want coffee. I will go to the kitchen. I am walking to the kitchen. I am making coffee now. The sentences are short. They are simple. They might not be perfect, but it doesn't matter. You are building the habit of using English as your first language for your thoughts. You are creating an English-speaking world inside your own mind. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime, and nobody has to know. So, let's review our stairway to fluency. Level 1, object association. Connect English nouns directly to things you can see. Level 2, simple actions. Connect English verbs to things you do. Level 3. Feelings and sensations. Connect English adjectives to what you feel. Level 4. The internal monologue. Narrate your daily life in simple English. This process turns English from a school subject into a living tool that you use every day. It closes the fluency gap because there is no more translation. There is only your thought and your speech. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country to do this. You can create an English world right inside your own head. So, here is your challenge. Don't try to do everything at once. This week, just focus on level 1. For 2 minutes every day, just name 5 objects around you. That's it. Next week, you can add level 2. Small, smart steps. Remember, fluency is not a destination you arrive at. It's a path you walk every day. And on this path, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay if it feels slow at first. The most important thing is that you are trying. Be patient with yourself. You can do this.
Thank you for joining me. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.